We bought a van. We bought a van. Well, hello camera. Welcome to the day one of the van. See the van? And if you know, if you know, you know. But yeah, we bought a van, and we're building the van. So yeah, we're filming. She's in here ripping it up like you never saw before.
Yeah, you've never seen this in your fucking life.
You can't even hear you, babe, but it's fine.
You can't hear me?
Well, we can hear you, but we don't know what you're saying.
Breathe. Can't breathe.
Okay, so here we go. We are about to do the thing on the van. As of right now, fucking ripping the whole top off. Fucking mold. We got also, we do the insulation because the insulation looks like crap. Also, all that shit's falling down, so we're probably gonna just put like wood on up there, like some sort of veneer. As you can see, we got some mold. It's pretty not good because I'm pretty sure on that side over there, there is there's a leak in the ceiling. There's a hole in the roof. So we're gonna continue fucking getting this shit done. I mean, we got the whole floor out, basically, all the old carpet. The wood looks pretty good, so I think we're gonna keep this wood. We're gonna keep the whole carpet up in the front and everything on the ceiling. Maybe change the ceiling. I don't know. Whatever she wants to do, right? But obviously getting rid of those 2000 TVs, like, Jesus Christ, man. How old do you think they are? Put it in the comments if there's comments on this video, if this video ever gets to YouTube. How old do you think they are? Because I fucking have no idea, and they don't work. I think that the fuse that runs all this shit up here is a beat, because that fucking 12 volt power thing right there, that don't work. Or I don't know, it might, but there's one back here, and this one works. It's got a sig lighter in it, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna keep updating the camera as I go, as I take panels off. I'm going for the ceiling. Well, actually what I'm going to do is take this side off next. Let's start with the speakers, the wood trim, and then we'll take the ceiling off. And then, I don't know, possibly this one wall, because this is where the kitchen is going to be, and she doesn't want it to be all carpet back there. But there's not really anywhere to put anything else, so we'll see. We'll see, man. All right, it's time to work. So we got a little camera update because I did a whole lot of shit, and yeah, figured the camera needs to see. So we got all this done so far. That wall's off. We got the top thing out. That's right there. And Yeah, I mean, we got the whole ceiling off and shit. So now we're gonna go ahead and start taking the rest of the walls off so we can start assessing the insulation and figuring out how the fuck we're gonna re-interiorize this thing, because I don't necessarily know if I want to use any of this old fucking veneered bullcrap.
It is day 3 of our demolition progress. I've been working, so Ian's basically done everything. I'll show you around. So right now he is working on the wiring for the lights in here. Something cool is going on up there. But basically it's pretty gutted. He took out the carpeting yesterday and the ceiling and the walls and the installation today. Trying to get a good view here. Next we're going to measure out everything and take a trip to Home Depot. Hello everyone, we are here at Lowe's getting us some stuff. We have a list right here. We're in the wood section. We're getting plywood, the flooring, the insulation, some sandpaper, and some other miscellaneous items.
I think we only need 3 boards. There's gonna be so much extra from cutting around the windows and shit. $20 a piece.
So $60.
Yeah,
Is this 1 inch?
Yeah, it's 1 inch. What's going on?
Alright, checking out. We've got full carts. It's pretty out. Alright, this is what we got.
Oh, you already forgot to get the screws.
Oh,
We didn't put it on the list.
we forgot screws.
Fine, there's plenty of screws in the van already.
That's why lists are handy. Forgot the screws, but this is what we got. We got foam insulation. We got wood for the flooring. We got plywood for the walls.
Take this.
I don't want this. We got our long ass freaking receipt.